is your Tito Yek. Happy 16th birthday. Sweet 16 ka na, 2 years na lang, magbibibo ka na. Kaya, ngayon, ingatan mo na yung health mo, ha? Huwag kang gagaya kay Tito Yek na sakitin. Ang wish ko sa'yo, ang prayer ko sa'yo is good health and magtuloy-tuloy yung sipag mo sa pag-aaral na makakapos ka. We are so proud of you at sa inyong mga magpipinsan, especially yung parents mo sa iyo. Sana ay lumaki kang mabuti at masunuring bata sa iyong mga magulang. And sabi sa Bible, no? Remember the Creator in the days of our youth. Ang bata pa kayo, kilalanin nyo na ang gusto kong sumiging Panginoong Jesus. At dyan tayo pagpapalain. So, again, happy birthday sa iyo. We love you. And I hope na nakita ko kayo this year sa annual vacation namin. Doon ako babawi sa pang-birthday ko sa iyo. Love you, Alec.
Happy birthday, Alex. Have a wonderful day. Hope everything's great. See you soon. Bye.
Happy 16th birthday, Ate Alex. Enjoy your special day. See you soon.
Birthday, Alex! Thank you for being the person I can rely on every time. Kasi feel ko tayo talaga yung hindi mapaghiwalay. Charot. Pero ayun, I'm so happy that we're still friends kasi ang dami ng pinagdaanan ng mga health natin. Pero despite everything, we've stayed by each other's side. You're one of the most special friends I have. Kaya I'm already claiming na we'll stay friends hanggang dulo. And always remember that you deserve all the soft and genuine things in the world can offer. I'll always be here for you and to reply to your rants sa GC at sa PM. We've been friends since grade 7 and I can really see that until now, ikaw pa rin yung Alex na kilala ko. Na mabait, jolly, and smart. Lagi na lang din tayong magkasama, mapa-break time, review sa exams, gala, or magpa-ID lang. But I'll always cherish all those moments kasi kasama kita at kayo ng SGL, kating ko, tayong apat, nila Alec, nila Zia and Chris and more. Charot. Pero ayun, I wish you all the best and all the happiness and all the love that you deserve. I'm forever and always thankful for your existence kasi you make all our moments more memorable and even better. I'll always be here by your side, lagit lagi. Happy Sweet 16, Alex! Enjoy your day. Love you!
Ate Alec, happy birthday! 16 ka na, so alam ko dalagin ka na, pero makinig palagi kay nanay at tatay pa rin. Kahit alam natin na medyo nagdadalaga ka na, so be a good girl palagi.
Hi Alec, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi at God bless. This is me, Coleta. Ingat see you soon.
Happy birthday, Alex. First of all, I wish you all the best in life and may God continue to bless you as always. Thank you for our 3 years of friendship. Sayang lang talaga kasi wala ako dyan sa Cavite ngayon. But actually, you're more than just a friend of mine. You also felt like a sister to me na. May you continue striving in life and also in your academics. Sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay is matupad mo someday. And hindi ko na to papahabain pa ng ganun. But I want you to know how much I am blessed and lucky to have you as my friend. Isa ka sa mga best friends ko and thank you for staying by my side since grade 6. And ayun lang. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung special day mo and happy Sweet 16 again.
Hi Alex, happy birthday. May your birthday wishes come true and that you won't get birthday blues this year. Thank you for the friendship after all these years and that I'm really grateful that we were classmates again this grade 10 because we would get to spend time with each other again.